Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome into Woodworks. Here with some of the fantastic sales staff that we have here, and Charlie, Tom, and Bill. And we pulled together a few things that we think would make fantastic holiday gifts this year. These things are in stock, and we're just going to talk a little bit about some of our favorites as we kind of go around the circle. So these range in prices from $0 to $300 here. So whatever price range you're looking for, or maybe there's something specific you're looking for, check it all out on our blog. One of the things that we pulled out, and I know Charlie, you use this a lot, is the Ox pencil. What do you think about that?
Well, what's great about it, it's got a built-in sharpener on the side.
Oh, and it had a sharpener too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was just a belt
Yeah,
clip.
really fine point on there. The other thing that I really like about this is the multicolored job. So if you're dealing with darker woods like walnut or any exotic wood, the yellow and red makes a nice
I
mark.
just used that at Walnut plywood. Worked great.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, so it stands out a lot better than just a regular
Yeah.
lead color. And I think what, $16 for the pencil, $16
Yeah.
for the refills or
All of it,
something
yeah.
like that.
Yep.
So well worth it. Tom, one of your favorites I know you mentioned is the Craig R3. What do you like about that guy?
Yep.
I like this particular device because it basically makes the same type of pocket hole that the $150 jig makes. Sometimes if you have a larger project, it's easier to be able to bring a smaller jig to a large workpiece than it is to bring the large workpiece to a jig. So this gives you versatility, does everything that the more expensive ones do, all very compact, easy to use, makes a great joint.
And works in conjunction with,
Absolutely, yeah. This is about $30 and clamp is in the
$39,
Yeah.
$39.40.
Yep.
One of the great things I think about the Automax Clamp is that it's auto adjusting. So whether I've got material that's 1/4 inch thick, or whether I've got material that's 3/4 inch thick, it's auto adjusting. I don't have to worry about making an adjustment there. Whoops, except when I do it kind of funny on the table there. There it goes. You can adjust the pressure, but you don't have to worry about adjusting the thickness. So works in conjunction with the R3 clamp. You both fit in your toolbox and make it nice and easy.
Very portable.
Portable that way. We love portability.
Yes.
Storability. So, Bill, one of the ones I know you talked about that you like is the Fine Multimaster.
Right. This tool is a commercial grade oscillating cutting tool. So many people will buy that because they have to cut a real small tight area and nothing else will do that. And then they discover they can do all these other things. You can scrape with it, you can sand with it. I used this recently with a grout blade because I had to replace some cracked tiles in my shower. Worked fantastic. It ranges in price from $199 to $350. And the difference in cost depends on whether you get it in a bag or a case, but mostly how many cutters and accessories you get with it.
Right.
Yeah.
Definitely one of those things, once you've used it, man, you feel like you were really missing out on it until you have one. So
You sort of discover things, it's like closet space. You start discovering you have all this space. There's all these things you can do with that.
Right.
And they have a large range of cutters. It's really pretty cool.
Yeah. A lot of those cutters you can find on our website too, so that's there. One of my favorites is Bow Featherboard. I like the foam fingers that are on this guy, nice and soft and don't mar your material.
They're replaceable.
Replaceable, right? If you want to use it on a router table, I can clip out a couple of those center teeth, if you will, or real easily. It's anti-kickback.
You know, when I first saw this foam, I thought, well, that's never going to hold. And then we saw it on display.
Yeah.
And when you adjust that right, you can't back it out.
No.
When you push a piece of wood in it, it's not going anywhere
It's
where
not.
you.
Yeah.
It works really well.
Yeah, $29.99, works with any standard miter slot, whether you got a router table or table saw, works well with that guy. So that's definitely a favorite. This is kind of a new design on the Bessie clamp. Difference between this and a traditional clamp, Mr. Bill?
Well, this has two arms that reach inside. Suppose you had two boxed cavities and you want to put these things together and you want to clamp them. These jaws reach inside the cavities, and it's helpful in that the handle that you use to tighten the clamp is sort of outside the area being clamped. That's different than a clamp like this, where sometimes being able to reach inside the cavity to get this handle is not possible. You can get these up to 24 inches, and they range in price from $20 to about $30.
Right. Yeah. Handy, and a lot of clamping pressure there too. So.
Sure.
Well, that's our pick for this holiday season. Any questions about any of these things? We're gonna have we're gonna check our blog. If you are hard to shop for, which a lot of us are, log on to our website and create a wish list. We can help your family and friends with that here in the store, or you can email in. We'd be happy to answer those questions. But thanks for shopping, and happy holidays from Woodwork Supply. Thanks, guys.
All right, thank you.